I'm making Mantambre, an Argentinian version. Combines the flavor of old school cooking with new techniques. Most people will throw this away. I'm not most people. I'm gonna show you a cool way of making this your next favorite snack.
Is that cooked enough, Chef?
Perfect.
Great.
Just a nice shock. Great. Chard. Beautiful, green, bright chard. Thank you. Mantambre is all about flavor. I'm combining two very fresh herbs. They look very similar, but they taste completely different. Cilantro is more citrusy, and parsley is full of peppery notes. I want to make sure it's found nice and evenly. Thin chicken so I can stuff it before I roll it. I want to add tons and tons of flavor. I start with some Dijon, piquillo peppers, sweet. Here is when technique comes to play. I want to make sure it all stays in. And for that, I do a twist to both sides. And then I roll it towards me, so it's nice and tight. The water, simmer, never to a boil, but I want it to cook slow, so it's nice and tender. Like this one. Amazing. Look at all those layers, so many flavors and colors. It's so tender. Now, remember those chicken skins I told you were the best snack ever? Crunchy and salty. After trying this, you're never gonna have bacon back for breakfast. Kitchen's closed. Is that wine already cooled down?
I think it's over there.
There you go.